Chile is known to the world as a forestry power. As we tour the country, we realize that it is largely covered by forests, resources that represent 22% of the country's land surface. The Bio region, which plants more than 48 hectares of forest area each year, leads the Chilean industry. This special environment, a few kilometers from the Chilean city of Los Angeles, is where Maderas Rio Colorado is located. This company has over 26 years of history and is dedicated to the purchase, harvest, cutting, processing and sales of Monterey pine. This sawmill is brought to life daily thanks to the 100 employees that work here. All of them, regardless of the work that they do, share a love for wood and strive to maximize every piece of wood that passes through their hands. Our job is to help people cultivate trust and not break it easily, because we know that as long as we maintain our versatility in production and keep the commitments that we make, then that trust will be maintained. And that is the basis of our business. That is why our customers prefer us today. Continuing along the line of production, different products begin to appear. Woods of varying lengths, thicknesses and widths are produced and can be modified according to customer requirements. Versatility that makes Rio Colorado stand out. Other products that the sawmill produces are chips, sawdust, bark and shavings. These wood byproducts are also used and sold to important companies in the forest industry. The conviction that the sustainable use of resources is the basis of future profitability has led the company to be a pioneer in the responsible forest management. The commitment is to the entire production chain. Since 2011, the company has had FSC, Forest Stewardship Council certification, a global seal of sustainable forest management, which accredits responsible work with soils, forests, communities, and concern for those working throughout the process, among other things. Prestige, creditability, and trust are values that define Maderas Rio Colorado and have led them to work with important companies in the industry. During the time that we have been working with them, Rio Colorado has demonstrated a responsibility to keep commitments. A responsibility in terms of process quality, in terms of yield, getting results within the time frames that we set, and at the projected yield, which is important. And that is why we continue to work with them. Each type of wood that they produce here has different characteristics and uses. The dry, brushed and processed woods stand out because they are usually used for interior and exterior coverings, such as floors, ceilings, terraces, and as a structural component for construction and furniture applications. We have already been working together for 23 years, and I think that this relationship will last over time, mainly because Sodimac believes in this kind of company, because we see how they are concerned about their employees, how they worry about the environment, and how they are concerned with the quality of their products, and how they are committed to getting all of their products to their destination in very good quality. Today, their products meet international standards and can be found in stores in Los Angeles, Chile, in Latin America and in Asia. From the heart of the forestry region in Chile, Maderas Rio Colorado is known as a national leader and strives for productive development of the group. The big companies are very concentrated in the forestry sector. Our big problem is that our supply is not secure. We have never been short, but it is not secure. Thus, we cannot project them. First of all, PYMEMAD is not an institution that does business. PYMEMAD is intended to help companies survive in good shape grow and make new partners. As a small company, we have to differentiate ourselves by finding new products, new species, and adding value to the wood. The years of work have paid off. Today, the prestige that they have acquired has allowed them to be able to innovate, to open other markets, to create new products and develop new projects. Rio Colorado is convinced that wood is a noble product, and due to its characteristics, it is and will stay the main raw material.